Good morning, student. Let's study about anagram standard 8 created by RZP School Usarli Khurda. It's my English book 8 wordplay.
Look at these words. In this word, meet, team. It's seat, skin, sink, last, salt. These are the words. The letters in these words are rearranged and make a meaningful word. Now, here also, cat, act, tea, eat, 10, net, watch, saw. You can see the words and letters are same, but they rearrange and make a meaningful word. Also, tab, bat, tar, rat, own, now. Inch, chin, below, elbow, beak, beak, best, bits. These are the words. In that words alphabets were rearranged and make a meaningful new word. This called anagrams. In the next slide you also see silent, listen, think, night, lamb, palm, flow, wolf. Look at the next slide and find out the definition of anagram.
Now, do you understand the concept? Yes, an anagram is a play on words created by rearranging the letters of the original words to make a new word or phrase. While making this, use no more extra letters or no less extra letters. Same letters but rearranging them and make a meaningful word, that is called anagram. Now, try to read these words. State, test. Dusty, study. Save, ways. Things, night. 10, net. Diary, dairy. Glean, angle. Farmer, reformer. Auction, education. Listen, silent. Allergy, gallery. Funeral, real fun. Teacher, cheater. Dormitory, dirty room. These are the words in anagram, which is same word, the letters are same, but they rearranging and reform and create a new word. That is called anagram. While rearranging the words, the letter, no more extra letter, no more less letter, and the new word which is maybe meaningful, it must be meaningful. That is called anagram. Now student, do you get the concept of anagram? Read these new anagrams, try to create the anawords and develop your vocabulary. Now, let's study new funny anagrams. Schoolmaster, the classroom. The countryside, no city dust here. The detectives. Mummy, my mom. Dormitory, dirty room. A decimal point, I am a dot in place. Client is Eastwood, old. A decimal point, I am not in place. Client Eastwood, Old West action. Astronomers, no more stars. Now, dear student, watch these words on the screen. These are some anagrams. Enjoy these anagrams. Read these. Understand their meanings. Reform the words. Rearrange the letters and try to meaningful words. These slides help you to rearrange, to understand the anagram and develop your vocabulary. I think it's very enjoyable. Enjoy it, redevelop it, practice it and try to understand the concept of anagram. It will be a fun. It will enrich your language and your vocabulary. Dear student, now it's homework time. These are some words. Try to read these words, rearrange the letters of these words and try to make a meaningful word anagram. These are words: it's, mare, bake, rip, deer, bake, tar, foul, diary, team, form, fast, east, evil, fads. So you get the concept of anagram. It's a word. Reform and rearrange the letters from the given word and make the meaningful word. While creating this, no extra letter or no less letter. Same letters in reform and rearrange. Now you got the concept. Enjoy, practice. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.